Welcome to the Yeeflow tutorial series. Today, we will introduce you to the Yeeflow Data Filter Controls. Let's start with an overview. Yeeflow's data filter controls are designed to enhance your experience in managing and accessing data efficiently within Yeeflow. Yeeflow offers several types of data filter controls, each tailored to specific needs. These include the search filter, select filter, checkbox filter, radio filter, and date filter. Applying these filters is straightforward. Search filter, which provides a text box that allows users to search with text. Select filter, which is a drop-down list that allows users to select a single option from the drop-down list. Checkbox filter, which is a checkbox list with options that allow users to select multiple options to filter data. Radio filter, which is a list of radio buttons with options that allow users to select a single option from the list. Date filter, which includes two date picker control inside that allow users to select a range of date. Now let's talk about the filter buttons. The Apply button is used to submit search requests for all linked filter controls. The filters only activate upon clicking this button, even if values are changed beforehand. While the Remove Filters button provides a quick way to reset the filter conditions for associated controls. Each filter control is linked to a filter variable accessible in the Controls Properties panel under Content/Basic Settings. This variable stores the filter conditions and can be employed in various Yeeflow features. Data Table displays a list of items from a data source. News shows a collection of data as news cards. Gallery presents a data collection as an image gallery. Gantt visualizes data in a Gantt chart format. Document Library exhibits documents from a library. In approval forms, you can also use filter variables to filter lookup and lookup list controls. Data Analytics in data list form or dashboard includes pie chart, column chart, line chart, gauge, funnel chart, color block heat map, summary, and pivot table. Within the Yeeflow dashboard, apply filters based on criteria such as countries, last updated, or account owner. The left data table will show the corresponding information. Now let's show step-by-step how to use filter variables in the data table control. This gives you more detailed control over your data. On the canvas, we have pre-added a data table control on the left, and on the right are some data filter controls that we need to retrieve. Each filter control is linked to a filter variable. Select the data table control and navigate to the Controls Properties Settings panel. In the data group, the application and data source have been pre-selected. This could be a data list, document library, form report, or data report. With the data table control in place, let's move on to configuring the data filters. This is where the real magic happens. Locate the data filters settings. Click on the Condition button to open the Data Filters settings window. Click the Add Condition button. Select a field from the first drop-down list, then choose a condition from the second drop-down list. Click the Switch icon at the end of the value column to switch to the dynamic value model. Click the Editor icon to open the Expression Editor window. Now let's dive into inserting filter variables into the mix. Click the Expression button on the top toolbar. In the pop-up window, locate and check Filter Variables. Select the desired filter variable from the list. Click Insert to add the filter variable to the Expression Editor. Click OK to close the window. To refine your data even further, you can add multiple conditions. You can choose to filter data using either and/or logical conditions. Repeat the above steps to add multiple filter conditions if necessary. Here's a tip about checkbox filters and multiple options. When handling filter variables linked to a checkbox filter, you might have many chosen options. To handle this, use the filter condition in or not in. This allows for more than one value. The power of Yeeflow's data filters extends beyond individual applications. These filters can be used across multiple data source-related controls. When users make use of these filters, the matching rules apply to their controls. This makes the experience smooth. Changes in one control can quickly update data in different parts of Yeeflow. Yeeflow's data filter controls provide various types of filters to the practical application of buttons and advanced features like filter variables. These controls empower you to make data-driven decisions with ease. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Yeeflow's data filter controls. Stay connected for more Yeeflow tutorials and insights.